Hello and welcome. Heading to Charlotte today. Push the fob, lights flash. Not sure how to open it. Click, click. There we go. Okay. Let's unplug. We're heading back to the Matthews Tesla store today. Model X is reported to be ready to go. So off to the races. I've got the note. My Model X has been taken care of. I am now going to hit the road. Looks like got a little rain today, but I think we'll be okay. Let's get out of here. We're here on Highway 74. Got 81 miles to go to the Charlotte Service Center. Rain came through earlier, so everything's kind of wet, but it's all right. On cruise control with Autopilot 1 here in this Model S, and it's pretty nice. Yeah, have a look at the trees. We're really starting to see trees starting to turn here. Another week or so, it'll be pretty nice. We'll be right in the middle of what's called leaf season. No trip is complete without a Scottish lunch or breakfast. Moving along here on Interstate 85. Got 15 miles to my turnoff. Can't quite tell what kind of car it is, actually. It's cool though. I'll look at the video later, but it looks pretty neat. What's it say? I can't quite tell. It's all fixed up. Looks pretty neat. Just about ready to get off the interstate here in a mile. Take the Brookshire Boulevard downtown off-ramp here. Call it the Brookshire Freeway. I don't know why, but it's what it's called. We get off here and then go through downtown on a couple highways and pop out on the east side. Yeah, we're getting close here now. Nav says 1.9 miles. This is used to be Car Row or Automobile Row or whatever you call it here. Lots and lots of conventional car dealers here. And just driving by, there's not a lot of stock. And then the Tesla store right here. Why this guy parks right in the way. Oh yeah, check this out. Not a car in sight. Like I told you last video, they sell absolutely everything. Yeah, I'll go park this here. This is the loaner. I have to bang it on the post. I think we're here. I'm here at Tesla now. It is October 4th, 4 days after the end of the quarter. And let me show you something here. If you recall, when I brought my Model X here, for a little bit of attention. This place was absolutely packed with new Teslas. I want to just show you here now, show you how many Teslas are here that are new that the customers came and picked up. Remember, with Tesla, all of the cars that are usually at the store are already sold. They've been purchased online from an app, and you can see those Plaids are gone, Model Ys, Model 3s, absolutely everything is gone here. Now that's a rough problem to have. Remember that black Tesla Plaid right here, the Model S, gone. They had a Model Y over there, gone. Look at this. I would venture to say that fossil fuel dealers would love this problem, where all the cars they receive, instead of being leased and sitting on a lot, would actually be sold to customers, where the customers come and pick them up and drive them off. This is a normal scene here at Tesla every quarter. They had an excellent quarter. They sold 241,000 cars, which is pretty darn good. Anyway, my Model X is ready to go. They replaced the SD card in it, thinking that that was the problem. I've had some weird problems, and I believe that's the solution. So I'm going to jump in the Model X and head home. Here at Tesla, Matthews, North Carolina, with absolutely no cars here, all picked up by customers. I've left the Tesla service center here in Matthews, North Carolina. I am on 74, that's Highway 74, heading back home. This is a performance Model X, and it's really fast. So when I came out of the store, service center there, I had to cross over the 3 lanes each direction. I had no trouble going to the right. I got in the left-hand turn lane, and there was a bunch of cars coming. They were probably 300 yards away. So I made a quick U-turn and punched it. Well, my phone ended up in the back, and I should have put it away, but it was just sitting here, and it ended up way in the back, and the dash cover there, the velvet, it ended up coming off, and everything else loose went to the back of the car. So there you go. Anyway, I had to stop and get my phone anyway. It was way out in the back between the 2 captain's chairs, and I couldn't reach it from up here. I'm heading that way, working through traffic. It is now 12:45. I think it's lunch traffic here in Charlotte. Heading home. Just here on Brookshire, gonna get on 85 South up here. Interstate 85 now, headed south, 22 miles to Highway 74. Getting close here now to Highway 74. Just following a line of traffic here. 2.2 miles. Yep, this is our exit here. All right, just getting off the highway here. Getting on to 74. I made it home. 27 miles of range left here in the Model X. After I reprogrammed the SD card and everything else, it seems to be working well now. I'll give it some time. We'll check it out. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything coming out. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next one, and take care.